you are going to read the image, right? So it's going to use a function called imRead, right? So imRead of, inside the imRead, if you have the file name, okay, for example, if I'm going to use a file name called circles, okay, circles.png, it's an inbuilt function, inbuilt image which is there, the sample image which is there in MATLAB. So I'll just read this image file, and I'm going to store it in a variable. Okay, let me take the variable z. So the z will be having the image stored in the form of an array. You know, MATLAB is actually matrix laboratory. So all the variables are going to be stored here in the form of matrix. So we'll have set of rows as well as columns. Okay. So if I'm going to read this file, okay, let me save this alone. Fine. Let me save this alone and show you what happens. Okay. I'll save this file. This is just going to be some image. Okay. So I'll just save the file image.m. Okay. I've just read the file. Okay. So let's go to the workspace. Am I actually presenting my screen clearly? Can you see everything whichever I'm presenting on the screen? Participants, please respond. Unmute and just tell me yes or no. I'm going to ask you only yes or no questions throughout. So please tell me, am I sharing the screen properly, participants? Saranya? Pardon me, I'm not able to look through the chat box. Please unmute and say me yes or no. Am I presenting my screen clearly that you people are able to see that? People are fine and move. I'll not ask you questions again. So this is the workspace, right? So after I have executed the code, once, okay, let us go through the workspace and see this. Okay, so this is Z. Z is the variable wherein the image is actually stored. Okay, and the image is going to be of 256 cross 256. Look to the cursor where I'm moving in. So this is the workspace wherein all the variables which are used in the program, it be shown here. Okay, so the Z is an array wherein you have got 256 number of rows and 256 number of columns. Okay, so if you want to actually check in what is the size of the image, okay, where do you have the image stored? It is in Z. So if you go to that in size, okay, of Z, you could get this. Sorry, size of Z is an array. Okay, you will get this as 256 cross 256. So 256 number of rows and 256 number of columns are going to be there.